So far, we have addressed the climate and the geological history at great length, and I've gained a number of key insights. The first is certainly that you can obtain fundamental knowledge of the climate system by investigating the climate fluctuations in the past. The second very important point was that we are able to reconstruct climate fluctuations in the recent geological history using climate models. And this means that these climate models, which we also use for future climate projections, work well. Therefore, we are quite confident about these climate models. We encountered a third important point when we looked at the atmospheric CO2 concentration over the last 600,000 years. It becomes evident that today's concentration in the atmosphere is significantly higher than ever in the Pleistocene. Hence, the current concentration is outside the natural fluctuation margins of this period. The final important point concerns the question, what actually drives the current temperature trend? We have seen that the temperature increase in the last few decades can only be explained by human influence on the climate system, particularly the increase in concentration of greenhouse gases. Now we have addressed the global average temperature and the average sea level at great length. But these are numbers that nobody can feel or perceive. What is most interest to individuals is what happens regionally and the subsequent regional impacts of climate change.